Hello guys, how are you doing? My name is Abdel Salim Garba. I'm a chartered accountant and influencer on YouTube. I created this YouTube channel to give advice to young African people about entrepreneurship, personal development and employment, because we are convinced that the development of Africa cannot achieve without involvement of young Africans. So each young Africans need to take part of the work we need to do, we need to make, to create, to build our continent. So today I will share with you a quick summary of a book entitled Springboard, How You Can Define the Success, from Richard Shell. So you know what Richard Shell wants to share with you in his book. He wants to give us an approach to define the success. He said that if you want to achieve success in life, you need to know how you can define how you can define by yourself the success. So he said that how can you define success today? Is it you can define success by have a lot of money? Can you define success by just having a lot of cars? Just by be happy in every time? How you can define success? Can you define success by because you are safe, you and your family? How you can define success? He said that usually many people are defining success with three ways. The first way is happiness. But he said that in happiness, usually you have three kinds of happiness. You have temporary happiness, when you're enjoying something in the moment, in the right moment. You are enjoying something in the right moment. For example, you are eating, you are taking ice cream, and you enjoy your meal, and you are happy because you are enjoying your meal, you are enjoying your ice. So this is a kind of happiness, temporary happiness. He said that the second kind of happiness is the happiness related to your past and your future. For example, when your parent is saying, will say you that they want you be happy, they want you be successful in your career, professional career. They want you, they wish you a great success in your work, in your career. They wish you a great success in your love, in your family, etc. This is the second kind of happiness. And the third one is the deep happiness. He said that the deep happiness is directly related to the work you are passionate about, the passion, the something you are doing and you enjoy on. Because he said that the third one, if you are passionate about something and you are enjoying in your passion, this is the deep happiness. But he said that usually you cannot achieve the deep happiness and the happiness related to your past and future without negative emotions. You will go through negative emotions. You will go through negative feelings before to reach positive emotion, before to reach positive feelings. He said that the deep happiness is a combination of good moments and bad moments. So he said that you need to know that it will be, if you want to achieve the deep happiness, you will see that you will be obliged to give up temporary happiness. So if you want to reach deep happiness, you need to learn to give up temporary happiness, go through bad moments to reach good moments. So this is the first way that the guys usually define happiness, define success. So by happiness, usually people are defining success by social status. So the level you are achieving in the in our society, so in the society, in your society, in your environment. So the level you are reaching on the society. So usually the guys are defining success by their social status. But he said that if you define success by social status, you need to know that the social status is defined usually by your environment, by your parents, your family, by your friends, your colleagues, because usually the guys will say that if you became a CEO of a company, you reach success. You are successful. If you became the chief financial officer of the chief risk officer of a big company, a big listed company, you achieved success. But he said that you should avoid the trap of definition of success by social status by other people. You need to define the success by social status by yourself. You need to know that you need to define by yourself what is social status level, what is your social status success. Is it your pleasure to become a CEO of a big listed company? Will you be happy because you reached this level? If you will not happy, don't follow other people's opinions. Just focus on your own opinion, on your own definition of success. So don't avoid to get in the trap to follow the crowd. This will be a very, very, very bad things for you if you follow other people's definition of success. So the third ways usually people are defining success is enjoying in your work. Enjoying your work, make a work who has a sense for you, who has meanings for you, who means something for you. If you get a position inside of you are qualified, and you are giving value to other people, and you are paying for this position, and you enjoy in this position, yes, you will reach the deep success by making your job, by making your work. So the most important thing to reach success in enjoying in your work, in enjoying in your position, in your job, is to know that you should combine three things. The first, you need to be qualified. The second, you need to enjoy in your job. And the first, you need to add value to other people. So people need to, people will support you by paying you something in exchange of the value you give them. So these are the three ways to define the success. So in each ways, happiness, the sense of your work, the meanings of your work,
Vous avez besoin d'un expert comptable? Consultez ses services sur ceficafrique.org et sur YouTube Réussir au pays.
The social status, you need to be equal to yourself. You need to be in compliance with yourself. You need to be, you need to don't follow the crowd. Don't follow please other people's opinion. Be confident. Believe in you. Try to give value to other people. Make a work that makes sense for you and enjoy in your passion in what you are doing, and you will reach success. Now each of you can define his own success by consideration of these three kinds: happiness, social status, and the make a work who is meaning something, who means something for you. This is the summary of the approach of Springboard of the book of Mr. Richard Shell. I hope that this approach of definition of success will help you to have a better understanding of what does it mean, what does success means, and to know that the most important thing is to be in compliance with yourself, to believe in you. This is the most important. Believe in you, enjoy in what you are passionate about, be qualified, work hard to be qualified, and you will reach your success. I hope that this video will help you and will brought you something to sooner or later will inspire you. And if you really appreciate it, please don't forget to put us the like, to support us, to share, and to subscribe. Please do not forget to subscribe, to support us, because we are convinced that together we can go far away. Alone we can go fast, but together we can go far away. Thank you for supporting. We are now 600 followers, subscribers in this channel. Thank you guys, because it does mean that 600 people are convinced that the development of Africa is the responsibility of young Africans. So let's work together to build Africa. Thank you, and see you tomorrow for the next video. Take care. Cheers.